Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about method overriding in C#. What is the agenda of today's video? First, we'll discuss what is method overriding. Then we'll see the detailed explanation of method overriding followed by a demo. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Let's get started. What is method overriding? Method overriding in C# allows a derived class to provide a new implementation for a method that is already defined in its base class. This enables you to achieve polymorphism and customize the behavior of methods inherited from base class. Let's see an example that demonstrates method overriding in C#. Then we'll go through the code and discuss method overriding in details. Here is my Visual Studio and I have a console application. In this example, I'll create a shape class that define a virtual method. Then I'll introduce few subclasses that will inherit from the base class and override the virtual method. I'll create a class here called shape. This is my base class. Here I'll create a virtual method and the method name will be draw. For example, public virtual void and draw is my method. I'll just print the output to console. So what I'll do here is console.writeLine. I'll just print a message saying drawing a shape. So this is a very simple class called shape and I have one virtual method that is draw. Next, I'll create two subclasses. One is circle and another one will be square. So first I'll write the circle and that I'll inherit from shape class, and here we'll override the virtual method that we have created in the base class, that is in a shape class. So what I'll do here is that I'll just override the draw method, that is void and draw, and I'll write here console.writeLine. I'll write a message saying drawing a circle. So here this is my subclass which is override the methods that is created in the base class and it has its own implementation. It is a typo here. Next, I'll create another subclass and it will be also inherited from shape class. We'll override the base class method. It will also have its own implementation. So what I'll do here is that public override draw, and here we'll write control.writeLine. We'll say drawing a square. So what we did, first we create a base class called as shape. Then we have created a virtual method that is draw, and then we have two derived class that is circle and square that inherit the base class that is shape and override the method draw with their own implementations. Next, we'll create the instance of circle and square in our main method under program class and assign two variables of type shape. So here I'll write shape circle is equals to new circle and then again shape square equals to new square. We have created the instance of circle and square class. Then we'll call circle dot draw and then square dot draw. So what it will do, it will print the message in console saying drawing a circle. In the second method, it will print the message to console saying drawing a square. Next, when calling this draw method on these instances, the overridden method in the derived classes are invoked based on the actual type of object. So when I call circle.draw, it will print a message in console saying drawing a circle. Then when I call square.draw, then it will print a message in console saying drawing a square. So this is our sample program. Now we'll discuss the method override in details. So first we'll discuss the base class and derived class relationship. You have a base class that is shape. It is also called as a parent class that contains a method you want to override. In this case, it contains a method called draw that we want to override. Then you have multiple derived class. Circle and square is also called as child classes that inherits from base class. So this is the base class and derived class relationship. Next, method signature. The method you want to override in derived class must have the same method signature. Same method signature means the method name should be same, return type should be same, and the parameter list should be same as the method in the base class. So here in this example, in the base class we have virtual void draw is our method name where we do not have any parameters, and the same method we are just overriding. So here the return type is same, the method name is same, and the parameter list is same as well. There is no parameter in the base class method, and same there is no parameter in the derived class method. So it should contain the same signature as the method in the base class. The method in the base class should be marked as virtual. So if you want to override a method, then you have to specify that base class method as virtual. The keyword you need to define is virtual. So this virtual method or this virtual keyword indicates this method can be overridden in our derived classes. Next, keyword override. So in the derived classes, we use a override keyword before the method definition that indicates you are providing a new implementation to the method inherited from base class. So this override keyword specifies that you are providing a new implementation for a method that inherited from base class. In our case, the virtual method we define in the base class is overridden in derived class using keyword override. Next, method implementation. In the overridden method of the derived class, you provide a new implementation that replaces the one in the base class. So in our case, we have a base class method where we are printing a message called drawing a shape, and we are overriding that base class method in the derived class with a specific implementation where we are writing the message to console saying drawing a circle instead of drawing a shape. Next, use cases. Method overriding is commonly used in scenarios where you want to customize or extend the behavior of base class method in the derived class. It allows you to maintain a consistent interface across derived classes while allowing each classes to implement its unique behavior. So this is our base class. When we are overriding this base class method, then we are allowing each classes to implement its unique behavior. So in circle class, it implements its own behavior. In square class, it implements its own behavior. So in summary, for method overriding to work, the base class method should be marked as virtual and the derived class method should be marked as override. This enables runtime to determine which implementation of method to execute based on the actual type of object. This is all about method overriding in C#. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my upcoming video. Thank you.